If you're following a 2024 guide to become an AI engineer, I've got some news for you. You're already behind. The job you're preparing for has evolved almost overnight, thanks to the explosion of powerful foundation models. Let's be real. Most companies aren't hiring armies of engineers to build models from scratch anymore. That's still happening at elite research labs, but the massive hiring boom, it's for engineers who can build intelligent systems that solve real business problems. Today's AI engineer is closer to a back-end or data engineer than a pure research scientist. Too many online guides are just recycled data science roadmaps with a flashy new title, and they're leading people astray. In this video, we're throwing out the obsolete playbook. I'm giving you the definitive 2026 AI engineer roadmap, built on 3 pillars that will actually get you hired: a killer portfolio, the right certifications, and a job search strategy that cuts through the noise. Your number 1 priority is your portfolio. It's more important than any certificate, degree, or course, period. Why? Because hiring managers see it firsthand. Over 75% of job listings now demand proven, hands-on skills. In 2026, a portfolio isn't a folder of messy Jupyter notebooks. It's a suite of deployed working AI applications. Shift your mindset from student to product engineer. Companies hire people who can build an end-to-end AI system. So, what should you build? Focus on projects that solve a specific business need. Here are 2 high-impact ideas. First, build a domain-specific RAG chatbot. Don't make another generic bot. Create a system that answers questions from a specific set of documents, like a company's internal knowledge base or technical manuals. This is a massively in-demand skill. You'll get hands-on with vector databases, Pinecone, ChromaDB, and orchestration frameworks, LangChain, LlamaIndex. Here's the pro tip. Track cost per query and latency. Showing you think about production issues is a huge green flag for employers. Second, build an AI agent that automates a real business process. An agent is more than a chatbot. It's an autonomous worker that can reason, plan, and use tools to complete multi-step tasks. Example, an agent that, given a research topic, can browse the web, summarize findings, and compile a briefing document. This proves you can build the autonomous systems companies are racing to implement. For every project, document the business problem, your system architecture, and the results. This narrative is what gets you past screenings and shines in interviews. With a killer portfolio ready, certifications are your next pillar. Let's be clear, certs don't replace skills. Think of them as validation of what you already know and a way to get past automated HR filters. They're secondary to your portfolio, but in today's competitive market, they give you a real edge. Start with cloud certifications, because that's where AI lives in the enterprise. Focus on Google Associate Cloud Engineer, Microsoft Azure AI Engineer Associate, AWS Machine Learning Specialty. With AWS and Azure holding over 50% of the cloud market, these certs prove you can deploy and manage AI in real-world environments, a non-negotiable skill. When should you get certified? After you've built portfolio projects. That way, the certification is a formal stamp of approval on skills you can already demonstrate. It's the 1-2 punch. Your portfolio gets the interview. The certification helps seal the deal. Your portfolio is solid. Your skills are validated. Now, your job search strategy. It's all about positioning. First, fix your LinkedIn title. Stop calling yourself an aspiring AI engineer. Change it to something like AI engineer, building RAG systems and AI agents. Focus on what you can do, not what you want to be. Your summary should be a highlight reel of projects and problems solved. Second, know what jobs to look for. AI engineer often hides under other names. Search for generative AI developer, LLM application developer, software engineer, AI ML. These roles focus on the system building work you've prepared for, and demand for them is exploding, with some titles seeing over 40% year-over-year growth. When you apply, don't just send a resume. In your cover letter or LinkedIn message, drop a link directly to your best deployed project. Let them see your work immediately. In interviews, prepare for system design discussions. Why did you choose RAG over fine-tuning? How did you balance cost versus latency? Expect questions on production concerns, security, monitoring, scalability. Your ability to discuss trade-offs separates a junior from a true engineer. So here's your 2026 AI Engineer Roadmap in 3 pillars. Build a strategic portfolio. Solve real problems with RAG or AI agents. Get key cloud certifications. Validate skills and pass HR filters. Use a targeted job search strategy. Show off what you build from day one. This path isn't easy, but it's clear and actionable. The AI Engineer of 2026 is a builder and a problem solver. And with over 500,000 open roles globally for AI ML talent, the demand for people who can turn intelligence into real-world value is only growing. Want a detailed checklist of tools, projects, and certs I recommend? I've linked it for you in the description below. Now I'd love to hear from you. What's the single biggest challenge you're facing on your AI journey right now? Drop a comment below. Let's tackle it together. Thanks for watching. If this roadmap helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next.